Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sembly AI meeting notes and action items step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Sembly AI login page. Press enter on your keyboard to navigate to the site. You will see the login screen displayed. Locate the email input field at the top of the page. Enter the email address associated with your Sembly AI account. Next, find the password input field below the email section. Carefully input your password in the password field. Double-check that both your email and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Once your email and password are entered correctly, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Sembly AI dashboard. In case of any issues, check for any error messages displayed on the screen. If the login is successful, you will have access to your AI meeting notes and action items. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to utilize Sembly AI for your meeting management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.